So now I already put everything here, the ingredients. In my previous video I got disconnected, so this is the second one. I'm gonna wrap it with these and refrigerate it for about an hour. But anyway, this chicken here, I marinated it with lots of garlic, onion, ginger, and then I squeezed the calamansi and 2 lemons. I have 2 calamansi in my tree in the front, and then I have this 2 lemon. I just squeeze everything, and then I put garlic powder and also onion powder and Creole seasoning. And I put about 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce. So now I wrap it. My video, for some reason I got disconnected, so I'm gonna go ahead and marinate it in the fridge for about an hour. So this is achuete. Ginamit ko yung mantika ng manok, and I'm gonna use these for the chicken later on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stir fry this vegetable. I have garlic, onion, and then carrots, and also gabi, squash, and cauliflower. These are my leftover. I want to cook them before they get waste. Mag-snack muna ako ng cookies. Nagugutom na ako. And tubig. I'm hungry now. So mag-snacks muna ako ng isang cookies. Tapos tubig. Then I will continue cooking the chicken and vegetable for dinner tonight. Ang sarap ng cookies. So these cookies here, it has macadamia, dark chocolate, and pecan. Tastes really good, see? It's my favorite. Masarap. Masarap. Now, balik na naman sa pagluluto ng manok and vegetables. This is my leftover ground beef. Tira ko ito sa sa lumpia. So I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna make this brown. Lagyan ko ng konting achuete oil. That's achuete oil. I'm gonna lower the heat. I'm gonna add the garlic and onion and then carrots. Do the garlic first. Then the onion. Now I'm going to add the carrots. Smells good already. And I'm going to add the squash. It's so colorful. Then I will add the gabi later and the cauliflower. And I'm gonna go ahead and put seasoning. I just add a garlic salt and then onion powder and also black pepper and garlic powder and Creole seasoning. Maybe a little bit sea salt. I'm going to add a little bit water. And I'm going to add the seasoning now. Now the onion powder. Now a little bit garlic powder. And sprinkle with black pepper. And a little bit Creole seasoning. Sprinkle with a little bit sea salt. I'm gonna add the gabi. They're like white potatoes. In the Philippines, we call this gabi. So this is what it look like. I cook all my leftover vegetable. I don't want to waste them because everything here in the United States, the groceries it's so expensive. It's too high. It's just too much. So I don't want to waste every little bit food we got. So I'm cooking all these leftovers. And then I'm gonna cook chicken later. I marinated them for about an hour, and then when the cabbage and gabi are tender, and then I'm gonna add the cauliflower. So I'm gonna make this cook for maybe about 5 minutes. I'll cover it first for 5 minutes. I'll go ahead and check it. It's not 5 minutes yet, but I thought about to put some soy sauce, a little bit soy sauce, this one. There, that's good enough. It's steamy. I'm going to add a little bit water. I'll go ahead and add the cauliflower. Cover it again. for a few minutes. While I'm waiting for the vegetable, I'm gonna eat mango. I bought it yesterday, and they're a good price. I think 79 cents, you know, for one. So that's not bad. So I'm gonna eat snacks with cheese mango. I'm gonna sprinkle it with a little bit sea salt. A little bit sea salt. It's my snacks. Let me check these vegetables. Smells good. Let me check I'm gonna check the gabi to see if they're tender. Where's the gabi? Oh yeah, they are tender. And the squash, it is tender. Let me taste. I'm going to taste the gabi. It's mainit. I had to put a little bit salt. Kulang sa panlasang asin. And maybe a little bit more Creole. I'm gonna stir it to mix it up the seasoning. Then I'll taste it again. I want this, the ground beef and squash. Masarap. Chicken that I marinate is more than an hour. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking. I'm gonna use this juice later on. Here's the chicken, y'all. I'm gonna put it in lower, medium heat. Medium heat so they won't burn. Smells good. So these, I'm gonna strain it. Then I can use the sauce. I can use the sauce in here. There. Then these, I can just throw this away. Check it. I'm gonna cover it again. Mag-snack na naman tayo while I'm waiting for the chicken. Sarap ng mangga. Sarap. Now I'll go check the chicken again. Ay, oh my god. This one is so big. Di pa luto. It's not done yet. Now I'm gonna brush it with the achuete. See the achuete here? Achuete. I'm gonna brush it. I like that chicken breast. If I beat it up again, it's not done yet. Check it again. I'm gonna check this again. Not caramelized now. It looks like it's done. Okay, y'all, these chickens are done. And my vegetables are done. And if you like this video, please click like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. My YouTube channel is Pinay Real Life in the USA. And please subscribe. And see you again soon. You'll have a good day. Bye-bye.